Welcome to Hypermotive. Fresh in stock, we have this 2016 Ford Mustang. This is a 5 litre V8 version with a manual gearbox, finished in lightning blue metallic. Has a factory upgraded silver stripe across the boot, roof and bonnet. 19-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels. Interior has a ceramic Salerno leather. They call it ceramic, but it's sort of white with white on black. So this car is quite remarkable because it's a 2-owner car from new and it's covered 6,464 miles, so particularly low mileage example. Got the touchscreen, so you've got phone, DAB, climate control. It's got the shaker stereo system, 6-speed manual gearbox, two keys, multi-function steering wheel, cruise control. Very nice condition. Driver's seat, as you'd expect, is all really nice with the mileage. I don't think the rear seats have ever been sat in. Electric seats too. Luminous Mustang sign. Well, thank you for watching. If you have any other questions, or if you want to arrange to come have a look, a viewing and a test drive, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Or you can email me, sales@hypermotive.co.uk.